Hello friends! So a couple weeks back I got forwarded an invite to a 4x4 show open house thing that I had never heard of that was in its 4th year. It was only 30 miles north up in Monroe, Oregon, so I excitedly figured out a way to tow the CJ5 and headed up there with no idea what I was going to find. Side note, flat towing the Jeep induced massive amounts of stress. Sometimes it would just decide to go its own way. Anyway, time for the intro. Enjoy!
Well, I could run way out westward, could run way up north. It'd be easier in some ways, much simpler going forth. I'd be taking all this with me, carrying what I'm running from. Most often the right answers come from staring down that gun. So I'm gonna stay here, right at home. I keep facing it all alone. I'm gonna stay here, right at home. I walk right through that fire and come out polished stone. Well, you know I ain't been hearing, I ain't been learning right. Words have been going right in one ear and out the other every night. And sometimes it takes a bottom to start looking to the top. And it's time I started listening, and I know it's time to stop. So I'm gonna stay here, right at home, making peace with all my demons, keep on fighting one-on-one. I'm gonna stay here, right at home. Lord knows there ain't no running, ain't got nowhere else to go.
Garbage with you.
It's these troubles I've created that keep on haunting me. It's these ghosts that like to follow, oh, that no one else can see.
Wow. Yeah. You're touching the trailer. Nice, John.
Get back over here, buddy. I'm going to go get that motor.
Look how high.
Oh yeah. You know, just keep going.
Oh.
Whoa.
It does have little tires tied on the back. I can see this.
Yeah, this is sound good. You're right.